Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unrestrict someone you have restricted on Instagram, since Instagram literally hides away users you have restricted. So you might want to change your mind and wish to check on the user again and unrestrict them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how all that is done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Let's simply start by opening Instagram. And now that Instagram is open, simply go to the menu profile section. And now that it's open, you can see all this editing profile tools to work with. So simply click on this 3 dots in the corner, and now simply go on settings. And now that the settings are open, you can see that we have all the Instagram management tools to work with. So simply go on this section which says privacy. And now that privacy is open, you can see all this privacy options, so simply slide down. And now as you can see we have other tools to work with too. So simply come and then click on the restricted account options. And now that it's open, you will see all the users you have restricted over the time. So this is where we are going to unrestrict your users. So simply come and then select the user you would like to unrestrict, and then simply click on the unrestrict button. And now as you can see your user has been unrestricted, so from now on you can unrestrict users in any way you like. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.